We're going to do the Pythagorean Theorem again, but today our answers are going to work out to radicals. Ooh, that sounds pretty radical. Let's skip maybe to the middle of this. Let's look at, let me find one where we're finding the hypotenuse. All right, 5 and 6, these are good. Now if you look at 5, the missing side is across from the right angle. That means that x is the hypotenuse. So these other two will be our legs. And remember, it's always leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. So the way we're going to write 2 root 11 squared, we'll just put it in parentheses. 2 root 11 squared plus root 31 squared equals x squared. When you square something like 2 root 11, that's the challenging part. You just square each part. So 2 squared is 4, 11 squared is 121. And it's always going to work out to a nice, cute number here because the square root of 121 is 11. So we're doing 4 times 11. So this comes out to 44. Whew. This one's even easier. The square root of 31 squared, remember squaring and square roots are opposite, so those just cancel out. That's just going to become regular 31 equals x squared. So now I can do 44 plus 31, 75. Our last step is always to square root, but 75, you can't square root it. It's a decimal. So what we've been doing is working with these radicals. We're looking for a perfect square that goes into 75, which I know, I hear you, calm down. It's 25 times 3. I'm glad you're excited about this. And we take the square root of 25, which is 5. You got 5 root 3. Unbelievable. We just found the hypotenuse on a crazy difficult problem. Let's do one where we're going to find the leg, like number 6. Okay. So the hypotenuse, again, is always across from the right angle. We just have to make sure we put the 6 on the side by itself. So we could have x squared plus 3 root 2 squared equals 6 squared. That 3 root 2 squared, remember you square each part. 3 squared is 9, root 2 squared is 4, over here 6 squared is 36. That 9 root 4, square root of 4 is 2, so it's really 9 times 2, which is 18. So x squared plus 18 equals 36. That's the hard work. We've done the hard work. We're going to subtract the 18. X squared equals 18, and then we have to square root it. 18 is not perfect, but it's 9 times 2. Square root of 9 is 3, so we got 3 root 2. Fun! We did a problem where we found the hypotenuse with radicals. We did a problem where we found the leg with radicals. Every problem is one of those two methods. You're looking for a leg or a hypotenuse.